This puma rushed toward its owner and tried to hug her, but couldn't stop in time and they both tumbled down. In reality, pumas are usually shy and cautious. With proper care, they generally don't harm people. If its eyes suddenly get covered, it becomes frightened and panics, leaping around as though it's dancing. It may resemble a small lion, but it's actually part of the cat family. That's why it enjoys playing around the house like a cat and ends up bonding with humans. It also has incredible jumping strength and gets excited by anything that moves. Hand it balloon, and it will stay entertained playing with it for hours.